Good morning, students. Welcome to day 2 session. This is my second video lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss on cloud computing basic quiz questions. Let me share the screen. This is assessment test 1. Total 25 questions are there. So I will explain all these 25 questions which are covered under cloud basics. My first question is, what is hybrid cloud? We already discussed hybrid cloud is nothing but it is a combination of basic both public cloud and private cloud is known as hybrid cloud. Here the answer is a blend of public and private cloud service is the answer, which means that hybrid cloud is nothing but it is a combination of both private cloud and public cloud is known as hybrid cloud. So the answer is A. Next, move to second question. Which of these options is not a PaaS offering? So in that question, PaaS stands for platform as a service. Platform as a service. Which of these options is not a PaaS? Here there are 4 different answers are there. Among those answers, we can pick one of the answer which is not belongs to platform as a service. So totally there are 4 answers here. They are given 4 options are there. So among 4, the right answer is IBM App Mix. IBM App Mix is the answer. So here Google App Engine is one of the cloud. AWS is one of the cloud. Azure, Microsoft Azure is one of the cloud. But Google App Engine, AWS, and Microsoft Azure will be providing platform as a services they are providing. But IBM App Mix is not related to platform as a service. Let's move to the third question. Which of the following can be identified as a cloud? Which of the following can be identified as a cloud? Here, cloud is nothing but an internet, not intranet. Cloud is not an application. It is not an application. So here the right answer is Hadoop. Big data and Hadoop, if you consider, Hadoop is one of the cloud. Hadoop is also maintaining a cloud. Big data will be stored in that Hadoop cloud. So the answer is Hadoop. Next, move to another slide. Question number 4. Which of the following is cloud platform by Amazon? So here the answer is AWS. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Is a cloud platform offering by Amazon. But Azure is not related to Amazon. It is offered by Microsoft. And Cloudera is also not related to Amazon. So the answer is AWS. AWS is a cloud which is offered by Amazon Web Services. So the answer is Amazon Web Services. Next, question number 5. Dash has many of the characteristics of what is now being called cloud computing. Internet, softwares, web services, all of the mentioned above. Right answer is software. Software has many of the characteristics of which we can call as a cloud computing. Next question, question number 6. Which one refers to the location and management of the cloud infrastructure? Once again, repeat the question. Which one refers to the location and management of the cloud infrastructure? So cloud infrastructure is nothing but IaaS. It is a cloud service. So IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So which one refers to the location and the management of the cloud infrastructure is nothing but answer is deployment. Answer is deployment. So here why the answer is deployment is nothing but there are three deployment cloud models are there. One is public cloud, private cloud, and then another one is hybrid cloud. But here dash refers to the location. Location is nothing but whether it is a public or private or hybrid, which type of location we are managing in the cloud infrastructure. So at the time of deployment, we can go for either public cloud, we go for private cloud, or go for hybrid cloud. So the answer is deployment, not service. Next question, question number 7. Which of the following is the deployment model? So there are four different cloud deployment models are there. Public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud also. So, but in last class I was not explained about this community cloud. Sometimes community cloud is also belongs to one of the deployment model. So total four clouds are there. Four cloud deployment models are there: public, private, hybrid, and community. So the right answer is D. All of the above mentioned deployment models. Next, move to question number 8. Question is, which of the following is best well-known cloud service model? As we said that there are three different cloud service models: SaaS, software as a service; IaaS, infrastructure as a service; PaaS, platform as a service. But here we cannot say which one is best. As per my knowledge, all three will be considered as a best cloud service models. So the right answer is D, all of the above mentioned. Software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service are the best known service models in the market. So the right answer is D. Let's move to question number 9. The Dash Cloud infrastructure is operated for the exclusive use of an organization. Here I can stress the word exclusive use of an organization, which means that only the organization, a particular organization, is using which type of cloud. The right answer is private. Why? Because private cloud is mainly used to provide the access for a particular user or a organization only. Based on the organizational needs, their specific requirements and their specific forms, they will access the data, give the some restrictions. So the right answer is private. Next question number 10. Dash cloud is one where the cloud has been organized to serve a common function or purpose. So as already I told that there are four different cloud deployment models are there: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. Here the right answer is community cloud. It is one of the cloud where the cloud has been organized to serve as a common function. Common function is nothing but community. So the right answer is C. Community is the answer. Next question, question number 11, which could combines multiple clouds where those clouds retain their unique identifiers but are bound together as a unit. Here we can stress the point is multiple clouds. Multiple clouds is nothing but more than one cloud. That means that more than one cloud is nothing but private cloud, public cloud. So the combination of private cloud and public cloud is considered as a hybrid cloud. So the right answer is hybrid cloud. Next question number 12. Which of the following is owned by an organization selling cloud services? Once again, repeat the question. Which of the following is owned by an organization selling cloud services? Here the answer is public. Owned by an organization selling cloud services, the answer is public. Suppose, for example, Amazon Web Services is an organization. Organization is having providing the cloud services as public, not private, not hybrid and community. So whatever the services provided by the Amazon, those services will be utilizing publicly. And Gmail, Google also, Gmail is offering is a software which can be offering by the Google Cloud, and Google Cloud is also one of the public cloud. They may provide the public services to the all end users. So everyone can access the Google software. Everyone can access the Gmail from the Google Cloud. So the right answer is public. There is an ambiguity sometimes in this question. Here, if you stress the organization selling, so organization is nothing but not a particular organization. Organization selling, not organization means not a company. Here, organization selling means which type of software company is selling their cloud services to the third party persons. So, like Amazon and Google, these are selling, they are giving rental purpose, they're selling their clouds to the end users. So the right answer is A. Next question number 13. Dash provides virtual machines, virtual storage, virtual infrastructure, and other hardware assets. So virtual machines is nothing but more than one or two machines which are embedded into a particular computer system is known as virtual machine. A machine can have many internal machines, but it seems to be a single machine. It is called as a virtual machine. Here the question is, Dash provides virtual machines, virtual storage, virtual infrastructure, and other hardware assets. So the right answer is IaaS. IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service. Here infrastructure is nothing but machine. Machine is nothing but a computer. Computer is an infrastructure, and storage. For the storage, we need to maintain a stack of servers. That is one of the infrastructure, and virtual infrastructure is also one of the infrastructure, and hardware also one of the infrastructure. So all these machines, storage, and infrastructure, hardware assets comes under IaaS only, not software, not related to PaaS. So the answer is IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. Next question number 14. Which of the following provides development framework and control structures? Which of the following provides development framework and control structures? Here, control structure is nothing but platform. The software developer provides development framework. Development framework is nothing but if you want to develop an application, you need a framework or you need a platform for that. And which platform you need to develop the application, either C programming, C++ programming, or Java programming, and which platform we are working. So all these three will comes under a platform, not related to IaaS and SaaS. So the right answer is PaaS, platform as a service. Next question number 15. Dash is a complete operating environment with applications, management, and user interface. And user interface is here, user interface is nothing but API, application programming interface. Which one is having service is having API? The right answer is software as a service. A software as a service can provide the API for all the other products. So not IaaS and PaaS. So the right answer is software as a service. A software can provide the environment for an operating system, and the software can provide uh, uh, um, applications and management level also. Next question number 16. How many types of cloud service models present in the market nowadays? So as we already discussed, there are three different types of cloud service models available: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. So the right answer is B. not four. Sometimes we may consider as a community is also a cloud, but now we are not consider it. So the right answer is three: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Total three types of clouds are available in the market. The answer is three. Next question number 17. PaaS stands for dash which service? So as we had IaaS, infrastructure as a service, SaaS as a software as a service, and PaaS stands for platform as a service. But this is the new one, and CaaS is nothing but communication as a service. Communication as a service. Next question number 18. This is important question. Which of the following is the IaaS service provider? So here there are four options are there. Among those four options, we can pick any one. It becomes the IaaS service provider, infrastructure as a service. Here, EC2 is the answer. EC stands for Elastic Computing 2. Elastic Computing 2. This can be provided by the AWS cloud. Amazon EC2, we can call as a Amazon EC2, which means that Amazon Web Service Cloud Electronic Cloud 2. Electronic Cloud, Elastic Cloud 2, not electronic, Elastic Cloud 2. And question number 19. Which of the following as one of the top 5 cloud applications in the year 2010? So which one is top 5 cloud applications is nothing but cloud can be used for maintaining the cloud backup, and the cloud can be used for maintaining, posting many applications into the web, and cloud can be using for providing some services as accessing through the remotely using internet. Those are business related applications. So the right answer is D. So all these three cloud services are well known to the end users in the top 5 cloud applications. So we have seen Amazon Web Cloud Services is one of the top most web cloud service provider, which can be used this cloud backup, maintain web applications and business applications also. So the right answer is D. Next question number 20. Which of the following benefit is related to creates resources that are pulled together in a system that supports multi-tenant usage? So the benefits, this question is related to advantages of cloud computing. One of the basic advantages of cloud computing is on-demand self-service. Answer is on-demand self-service. So this is one of the best cloud computing benefits. Question number 21. Cloud computing is a system, is a dash system, and it is necessarily unidirectional in nature. Unidirectional in nature. The answer is stateless system. Cloud computing is a stateless system. Why we can call cloud computing is a stateless system is nothing but we can, if you observe the image of cloud computing is just like a internet, like a cloud. The cloud picture will be in the form of a internet. So there is no specific state for that. So the cloud will be changing their status for every 1 hour, for every day, for every second also. So that's why there is no particular state for the cloud. So that's why we can call it a cloud computing is a stateless system. Next question number 22. Which of the following is the most important area of concern in cloud computing? So cloud computing main advantage is providing security to the data hosted into the cloud. So storage we don't bother. Scalability is nothing but upgrading and downgrading the traffic. And but one of the most important area here we stress that question. Most important area is providing security to the cloud data hosted into the data into the cloud. So security is one of the important factor in that one. So the right answer is A. Next question number 23. You cannot count on a cloud provider maintaining your dash in the face of government actions. The right answer is privacy. Privacy you cannot count on a cloud provider maintaining your privacy in the face of government actions. So privacy is nothing but one of the security related aspect only. Let's move to question number 24. So what is cloud computing replacing? What is cloud computing replacing? Which nothing but which one? Here there are four options. Which option will be replaced by the cloud computing? The best answer is D, which means that cloud computing replacing corporate data centers. So earlier, corporates mean software companies. They are maintaining their own data centers. For that, they need to spend huge amount of money and they need to allocate some large amount of space for keeping those data centers in a particular room. Huge amount of space is required for that, and also for maintaining those data centers, well-skilled persons also they need to recruit. So they need to spend lot of money for maintaining the data centers on premises. So corporates came into the picture now. They're effectively utilizing the services of cloud offered by the services like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. So that's why cloud computing replacing the concept of data centers offered by the corporates. Next, move to cloud computing replacing expensive personal computer hardware. As we talk about expensive personal computer hardware means in our if you are maintaining a PC personal computer, so hardware for that we need to spend lot of amount for that, but the expenditure what we incurred in hardware is very expensive. So instead of buying the hardware components physically setting in a particular room, we just using the services of cloud computing. This is the best option. For that, cloud computing is providing very less cost instead of setting your own. And next one is cloud computing replacing expensive software upgrades also. Suppose if we took the license copy of a particular software like Amazon, sorry, Oracle. Take Oracle. Oracle software. If we purchase the license copy, so initially we need to spend some lakhs of amount for that for 100 users. Later on, in a couple of days or couple of years, so the software will be upgraded automatically. At that time, we do not have much more access to upgrade the license copy. Why? Because every year we need to renew the licensed version. Otherwise, our purchased version of the Oracle is not updated. So to overcome the problem, what that instead of spending lot of money for initial buying the licensed copy or for renewing the licensed copy every year, simply solution is we need to take the rental from the cloud services what they are who which cloud is really offering the software as a services for for end users. So that means that cloud computing is really replacing expensive software upgrades also. The right answer is all above. So all the above listed four are the right answers in this question. Next, this is the last question. Which of the following cloud services is not offered to IaaS consumers? So once again, remember that here, not offering, which one is not offering? IaaS, infrastructure as a service is not offering by, so application software, this is related to SaaS only. Application software is related to SaaS, it is not related to IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So storage is nothing but it is a platform, and networking is nothing but it is a infrastructure, and compute is also one of the infrastructure related. But application software is related to software as a service. Here the question, the best answer is C, application software. So now we came into the end of the session. Students, in this session, in this lecture video, we have been discussed 25 multiple choice questions in equation. All the questions are related to the basic concepts of the cloud. Hope you all are really enjoyed my lecture video, and we will discuss the unit 1 basics in the next class. Thank you. Thank you, Kananda.